Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix GTFO game not launching or not opening won't start error on PC. So let's find the solution. Well, the very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users just click on Steam option over here, now click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Don't forget to restart your PC once because this restarting can solve many glitches that is leading to such kind of problems. So after restarting your PC and Steam, now try to log into the game and click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option. Now search for device manager. So search for a device manager. Now here you have to expand a display adapter, select a graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics cards. After that, launch the game and check if the game is launching or not. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the exe file, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator. Hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7. Hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. The next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to log into the game and see if you can play it. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings. Here you have to select the game. If you cannot find the game, you have to click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game to the list, you have to select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to check for Windows update. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update option, click on check for updates, wait for some time. It will check if any update is available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to stop overclocking of CPU or GPU. If there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background, then you are suggested to disable it or stop it, and after that try to log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once you download Visual C++ files, you have to open it. After opening it, you will get repair or install option. So click on it, click on yes, wait for some time. Once you get setup successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if it's working. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. Next is to verify integrity of game file. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, wait for it, and once the game files are verified, now try to log into the game and check if you can play it. Next solution is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game to the list, you have to select it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check if the game is launching or opening or not. Next is to check if the game needs any kind of update. So when you go to Steam under library section, select your game. Here you can see then an update option is available. If yes, click on the update option, wait for some time. Once the game is updated, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288, and then maximum size you have to type 24576. After that, click on set and then click on OK. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check whether the game is launching or opening or not. Next method is check graphic settings of the game. So if the graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly, or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. Next is to reinstall the game. So finally, when none of the above methods work, it's suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under Library section, select your game, right click on it, click on Manage. Now click on Uninstall, and again click on Uninstall option. Now after the game is uninstalled, you have to restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again launch Steam, log into it again, and again reinstall GTFO game, and then click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not.